Welcome to Fluent Phonics. Today we will discover the proper pronunciation of the word talented. 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 Here's an example of how one might use it in a sentence. She is a talented musician who can play multiple instruments. Talented describes someone who possesses exceptional skills, abilities, or aptitude in a particular area, such as music, art, sports, or academics. Thank you for your time. If you enjoyed this, please like and subscribe for further content.